the record. Okay, so for the record, you have a new assignment to do. Um, I think that's due on the 28th. So you got like a week to do it. But what it is it's taking the work that you did in assignment 1 and adding value to it, adding something to it. And there's a number of things that you're going to add. You're going to add some styling. You're going to add some sections, something about hobbies and something about education. In the hobbies, you're going to do an unordered list. And in the education, you're going to do a table, and the table is going to be styled with some colors. This is just an example. You won't have to do yours like that because you didn't go to the Lycée Voltaire or the Lycée Bonaparte. But if you can sort of make a table like that where you're doing some, here we haven't got any column span, but you're doing some row span so that you show what work that you did, what school you went to for what years, and separate your schooling in a way like that. And that's the task. When you've done the task, you should have also updated your folders and have your different parts of your website in the right folders, have a decent folder structure. The index.html file, you don't have to reference it directly when somebody tries to access your folder. If the index.html file is in the right place, then just by going to the folder, they will open it up by default. That's the way index.html works. And that's why we ask you to use it and put it in the root directory. So that we don't have to go. It shouldn't be sort of hidden in some HTML folder somewhere or anything like that. It should be in the root folder, an index.html file. It should have hyperlinks that allow it to allow somebody to navigate from that file, from that page to the other pages in your website. Those other pages can be in the HTML folder, and then a CSS folder separate from there where you've got a styles.css file, which, wow, what am I talking about? You don't even need to. It says here that you can do all of your CSS in the thing. So you don't need a separate CSS folder. You're lucky. But yeah, an images folder. And there you go. All right. So that's it basically.